The most common trait to the recipe of disaster starts when you get addicted to the gamble paradox while investing. So, what to do about it is the major concern. Now, understand the term rational investing. So, rational investing simply translates into a series of educated or analysis driven approach, and that basically starts when you invest your first rupee or dollar in a stock where you know the expected value in terms of bearish or bullish indications. So, this initiative actually starts the pillar for the recipe of your rational quote unquote mindset, and that will easily make up for you against people who are emotional fools in an insurgence. That is how you start investing more rationally, and that is how you beat 99% of people in the stock market. I'll be posting every single day. See you guys in the next one. Peace.